Are your state lawmakers vaccinated? We are continuing to ask that question after GOP Senator Andre Jacques was hospitalized after testing positive for COVID last week. Many public officials have led the way this year in being open about their vaccination status, encouraging others to get it as well. And this follow-up to a report we aired back in February, investigative reporter Naomi Coles is finding out how many actually got their shots.
We still don't know if State Senator Andre Jacques is vaccinated after he was hospitalized for COVID-19 related pneumonia earlier this week. But us not knowing his vaccination status, well, that's the case for more than half of the state lawmakers here. Have you been vaccinated?
I got vaccinated the first day that I was eligible to do so.
Racism is you.
This hearing was packed last week as Senator Andre Jacques testified.
If anybody was socially distanced, it was Andre. He was in the center of the room, everybody listened to him, and when he was done talking, he left.
Days later, he issued this statement saying he was mostly asymptomatic when he tested positive.
New variants coming out.
Months ago, we asked lawmakers whether they plan to get the COVID vaccine.
Get the vaccine when it's available to you?
I think I will. It'll be a while yet.
So this week, we tried to figure out how many did. I sent this email to all 132 Assembly and Senate members. More than half didn't respond. 41 confirmed they were vaccinated. Another 18 who didn't respond by deadline previously told me they did plan to get the vaccine. 4 Republican lawmakers told me before that they wouldn't or likely wouldn't get one. So that leaves 69. 62 Republicans and 7 Democrats who aren't disclosing their status at all.
I'm due in September.
For Madison State Senator Kelda Roys, her reasons are both personal and professional.
I'm pregnant, and pregnant people are at high risk of hospitalization and complications if they contract COVID. I also have young children at home who are too young to be vaccinated. So the idea that I could bring the virus home to them after catching it at the Capitol is of real concern to my family.
I know of 7 Republicans who said they did get the shot. In statements, 2 of them, Senators Joan Ballweg and Robert Coles, said they got it after consultations with their doctor.
One of the most important ways that we can help our constituents is by sending a very clear public health message.
You can find a complete list of each lawmaker's response or lack of response online at channel3000.com right now. At the Capitol for News 3 Investigates, I'm Naomi Coles.
By the way, a word on medical privacy laws. HIPAA doesn't apply to either journalists or lawmakers, meaning there's no legal reason stopping us from asking or from them disclosing their vaccination status.